Good news, we have achieved a true novel milestone in sustainable innovation. For the first time, Prysmian has developed a cabling solution that, during its sourcing and production, removes more carbon from the environment than it emits to manufacture the solution.
Always, Prysmian has the goal to reduce Scope 3 emission. That's where this idea started. Choosing sustainable materials and advanced design, we were able to achieve this dream, making negative carbon footprint cable that is now called Beyond Neutral.
So Scope 3 emissions are the largest and hardest to abate for power grids and data centers. We have two types of Scope 3 emissions: upstream Scope 3 emissions coming from raw materials and downstream Scope 3 emissions from the product use. With this innovation, we've made a step change in reducing the upstream Scope 3 emissions by combining circular materials, biomaterials, and smart design.
Our vision is to go beyond carbon neutrality, and doing that as a pillar of our business. We don't want to just reduce harm, we want our products to actively contribute to a better future. This means helping our customers to lower emissions that are usually hard to tackle by making sustainability part of everyday infrastructure choices. Grid operators are under pressure to expand networks, connect renewables, and reduce emissions, all at the same time. Looking ahead, our negative carbon footprint cable allows data centers to cut emissions simply by choosing better infrastructure, turning a necessity into an opportunity.